my rules. Guys, if you're looking to update any room in your house, the link will be in my description box down below. If you are looking for any coziness, check the description box for the link. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. Let's get it done like a boss, baby. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Okay family, this is what the company sent to me. As you can see, carpet squares from Matace. A big thank you to them for the sponsorship. Guys, please keep on watching. Like I said, you will see how I transform our family room with this beautiful removable washable rug sent to me by this company. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. The link will be in my description box down below. As you can see, I have two different colors, beige and gray. You can choose from different colors. They have different style and they are very easy to install, very easy to clean. They are washable, removable, and you have 180 days free trial and you have lifetime warranty, free shipping. Guys, you will love this work. My kids love them. And my favorite part is like if one piece is dirty, the only thing I have to do, I can just remove it and then wash it. No glue, no tape, easy install, easy replace, easy clean. Oh my god, guys, you will love them. Like I said, they have different style and colors you can choose from, and they are very soft. Your kids will enjoy them, and like I said, perfect for any kids room. And you will see how I am going to install. Instruction was very clear. When you flip the rug, there was something in the back and tell you how you're supposed to place the rug. Guys, you will love this rug. Like I said, the link will be in my description box down below. The holiday is right in the corner. If you want to update any room in your house, the link will be in my description box down below. Your kids room, gay room, and your family room, living room. Check the description box for the link. Guys, you will love them. Please keep on watching. I am going to give you more details in a minute. Like I said, as you can see, I choose two different colors. You can choose one color. You can go with like any color you want to. They are very soft and very durable and comfortable. The kids will enjoy every bit of your money. Okay guys, this is the fun part. I am going to remove this rug, vacuum the floor, mop the floor, and start the installation. Like I said, no glue, no tape. Please keep on watching and you are going to see how I transform our family room with these beautiful styles. Removable rug, not expensive at all. The link will be in my description box down below, and keep on watching.
Okay guys, so these are the rugs here. I really love them. They are so beautiful and they're very soft and comfy. They're very easy to install and I really like doing cartwheels and handstands on them. So fun, and I really like them. Well, a big thank you to Matace for making this living room so beautiful and cozy for the holidays.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love, then there's no love.
a family less than 5 minutes. Everything is complete. As you can see, this is a big transformation. Please check the description box to get yours today. As you can see, I have 2 different colors. Like I said before, you can choose one.
Coming by. Let me know when you're here. Meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. And if we don't, then if we give in what we want to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud.
I hope you enjoy and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to let